Good morning, students. Today we are see the Max class, Unit 1. The lesson name is Geometry. Today we are going to the topic is shapes. You have seen a lot of shapes in previous classes. What are the shapes? You see that the first one, rectangle and circle and square and triangle and quadrilateral and also pentagon. Okay, that is all called 2D shapes. 2D means what? 2D means having only two dimensions, such as breadth and height, but no thickness. That is all called 2D shapes. Okay, and next one, the 3D shapes. See this picture, that is also 3D shapes. For example, cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. These are called 3D shapes. Okay, 2D shapes, some examples. The first one, tire also circles. Okay, and next steering. Driver used steering also circle shapes. Next squares are everywhere. The square shapes. See the particular place, the four sides are equal. That's the square shapes. Okay. And next triangles are everywhere. Triangle shapes. You eat a pizza is triangle shape, and some parts of ship are triangular shapes. Okay. And next rectangles are everywhere. The door, the house door also rectangle shapes, and flag. Any flag you see that is rectangle shape. The opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. Okay, and next hexagon are everywhere. The honeycomb pot is also hexagonal shapes, and some bowls are some pot hexagonal shapes. Okay, and next rhombus are everywhere. Rhombus, kite, children played the kite, also rhombus shapes, and diamond ring, the diamond shapes also rhombus shapes. Okay, students, now let us draw the circle using compass with radius 4.5 centimeter. You have see the compass. A compass is a geometrical instrument which has two arms. One is a needle and other one is a pencil holder. We use compass to draw circles. Now let us draw it. Step 1. Using the scale, set the distance between both the arms as 4.5 centimeter. And step 2. Place the point of the compass on fixed point. And step 3. Move the pencil arm around to draw the circle. And write size of 4.5 centimeter. And next, identifying a center, radius and diameter of a circle. Circle is perfectly round in shapes. It has no sides and no diagonals. The center, O, is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. The distance from the center to each of these points, it's point A, B, C, D. The distance from the center to each of these points A, B, C, D, the radius of the circle. Radius is equal in length. OA and OB and OC and OD equal in length. All the radii are equal in length in a circle. Okay, a line segment AB, a line segment AB passes through the center of a circle O. AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. The line segment the xy, it's called xy. Xy, the chord. The longest chord of a circle is a diameter AB. The radius is always half of the diameter. The radius is always half of the diameter. It is a center point O. The radius is always half of the diameter. For diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius. Okay, diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius. The radius is always half of the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Next, radius, an interval joining center to the circumference. Interval joining center to the circumference, that is a radius. An interval passing through the center joining any 2 points on the circumference, that is diameter. Any 2 points on the circumference. Okay. An interval joining 2 points on the circumference, that is chord. Okay. So the line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called a radius of the circle. A line segment with its end point on the circle is called a chord. A chord passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter. The diameter is the longest chord. Okay. And see some example 1. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Find the diameter. Given a radius is a 5 centimeter. Find the diameter. Already know diameter is equal to 2 into radius. That means radius is a diameter. Okay. So are called radius is equal to diameter by 2. Now we find out the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius value 5 centimeter. Okay. So diameter is equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 centimeter. Okay. And second one, the diameter of a circle is 88 centimeter. Find the radius. Given the diameter, only find the radius. Also radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter value 88 centimeter. So 88 by 2. 88 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2. Cancel that. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. And again 4 2s are 8. So 44 centimeter. The radius is equal to 44 centimeter. And next, identify the sides and find perimeter of a quadrilateral. What is perimeter? The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shapes. The perimeter of a closed figure is the sum the length of its sides. Okay. By adding all of the sides, that's a perimeter. The first one, take a triangle. The sides are 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. So, sum of the perimeter means sum of the all sides. So, one side is 10. This side 10. This side is also 10 centimeter. So, sum of all sides 10 plus 10 plus 10. It's equal to 30. The perimeter of this triangle is 30 centimeter. Okay. And next one, see the square shape. A, B, C, D. That's one sides are 5 centimeter. The squares also 4 sides are equal. So one side is 5 centimeters. So also other sides is 5 centimeter. Okay. So sum of all sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So 20 centimeter. And next one, rectangle shapes. So sides are 3, 1, 3, 1. The opposite sides are equal. The two sides 1 meter and this two sides 3 meter. Okay, the sum of all sides 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to values 8. The perimeter of this rectangle is 8 meter. Okay, and next see the exercise 1.2. Fill in the blanks. The first one, all closed four-sided figure are called quadrilaterals. Okay, and next one here, dash has four equal sides and equal diagonals. The two shapes are equal diagonals. One is square and rectangle, but four equal sides. Given four equal sides, that one square. A square has four equal sides and equal diagonals. And third one, the opposite sides of a dash are equal. The opposite sides only rectangle are equal. And fourth one, a dash has no sides. Circle has no sides. And diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. And exercise 1.4, filling the blanks. All the radii of a circles are equal. And second one, the dash is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. And third one, a line segment joining any point on the circle to its center called the radius of the circle. And fourth one, a line segment with its end points on the circle is called a chord. And fifth one, twist the radius is what? Diameter. Okay.